Hello, this is a full tutorial video for Fibiomatic Facebook automatic post generator plugin for WordPress. This plugin can import posts from Facebook to WordPress and also export posts from WordPress to Facebook. So let's see how it works. To get started, click Plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, navigate to the zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. After the installation, activate the plugin to start using it. Now go to Plugin Settings. Here you will see that the plugin requires a Facebook app ID and app secret. To get a Facebook app ID, click here. Here you will see the required steps you have to do. Log into Facebook, create a developer account. Click on each button to do the respective action. I already am logged in and I already have a developer account, so I only have to create a new Facebook app. I give it a name, my email address, and I click Create App. I should enter the CAPTCHA here and click Submit. If everything's okay, you will be redirected here. This is the new Facebook dashboard, the app dashboard. First of all, you should activate the app, but before this, you have to input a privacy policy URL. This is required, but they don't verify the URL you enter. So you can enter any URL until you don't submit the app for review. Also, you can select a category, a subcategory. You can app icon, but these are not required. You can save settings. After you have entered the privacy policy, you can make the app public. Note that this is required for it to work to post to Facebook. If you don't want to post to Facebook, only import posts from Facebook, this is not a required step, but you should do this if you want to post to Facebook. Okay, now my app is active. This is my app ID. I should copy this and paste it here. This is my app secret. I have to enter my password for it to show. Don't bother using these because I will delete these after the video ends. The access token is optional. This is required only if you want to post from age or country restricted groups or pages. But this is not the case right now, so let's save these settings. Okay, now we can go and demonstrate the first feature of the plugin if we want to import posts from Facebook to WordPress. Let's show our blog. It is empty right now. Now let's import some posts from Rihanna. Let's say I want to import 5 posts from Rihanna. I want the rule to run every 24 hours. So every 24 hours the plugin will import new posts from Rihanna's Facebook page. Also, we can select here which type of page we imported. We will import from a group or a page. We can leave this almost any time at auto, and the plugin will auto detect which type of Facebook page it is. The post should be published. Also, we have pending and draft, private, trash options. What type of post should it be? Also, here it will be listed any custom post type you have installed on your blog. Also, product post type if you have WooCommerce active, and so on. The author of the post and some advanced settings. you can set the generated post title. Here you can use shortcodes. These are shortcodes with % marks. The full list of shortcodes to use in the title is here. Item title is the post title. The item title shortcode will be replaced by the post title that will be imported from Facebook. Item content, description, categories, tags, and the generated post content. Here you can also change the content and add things to it if you want. Please note that HTML is supported here, so if you enter like this, this will be allowed. Okay, here we have more shortcodes. Here we can generate also a like button to allow visitors to like our generated page. Let's enter this. This is a new line HTML mark, and input afterwards a Facebook like button, let's say. So we have the content of the post and the like button generated. We have also image URL, item URL, category tags, a read more button. If we want to link back to the original post, we can use this. Show image if we want to display the post image, image URL, author and author link. Okay, let's leave this at this right now. Remember, let's post it item and continue search from it. If you uncheck this checkbox, then post, when the rule automatically runs, post will be imported only from the latest, the newest post that the page or group made. If you check this box, posting will continue from where it left the last time. So let's say if we imported 10 posts from a page, the next time the plugin runs, it will start from the 11th post that was made, and will continue to import older posts from it. If you don't want this, and you want to import only the latest posts, you should uncheck this. Disable automatic excerpt generation if you don't want to generate excerpts from posts. Set post original date if you want to import date from the Facebook post. Strip images from content, strip title from content, remove WordPress default post category. This is to remove the uncategorized category. Facebook post types to skip. You have link, status, photo, video, event, and offer. You can enter some of these here if you want to skip this. Limit title word count to limit the title that for its word count. Generated post format to generate custom post formats. Additional post categories. You can select multiple post categories here. Auto add categories. Auto generate categories from the Facebook post. Auto add tags. Additional post tags. This is a comma separated list of post tags. Enable comments, pingbacks, trackbacks, custom post fields. If you want to create custom post fields for the generated posts, you can create them in this syntax. Custom post field name. This is the slug of the custom post fields. This arrow and custom post field value. Note that here you can also use shortcodes. Any shortcode that you can use in post content, it can be used also here. And the same goes for custom post taxonomies. Note that the taxonomies will have almost the same syntax, but they will have multiple values and are separated by this point. Yeah, I don't know exactly how this is called in English, but no, this is the separator for taxonomies. Okay. Now let's go continue, and check this if you want to automatically get a featured image generated for the generated posts. Default featured image if image does not have if post does not have a image assigned. Import comments from the targeted post. Append comments to post content. If you don't want to generate WordPress comments, but if you want to append comments to the post content that are imported here, check this checkbox. Let's say I want to import also 5 comments. Sorry. Okay. Short rule description. You can add a short rule description here. This will be displayed on the ID of the post. For video post, do not show post image. If you don't want to show post image for video post, click here. Okay. Now we should save the settings. Also note that you will have here the description of the rule that you set here. Okay. Now we can go ahead and run this importing. We should wait a bit until it finishes. And after it finishes, let's go to the blog and view our posts. As you can see, also comments got imported, and the like button that we generated from the shortcode. Also, videos are getting imported. If you want to center the image, you can use the center tag, HTML tag here in the item content. You can use the center tag, but this is not the case right now. Okay. Now let's go and view some more posts. Let's say this one. Also it has comments. Okay. Now let's go ahead and delete these posts. Delete also the rule. And let's go to the post to Facebook page. Here you will see that it instructs you to create an app. You have already done this. You have already inputted the app ID and secret in the main settings. Now you have to go to the app settings and add the site URL as follows. So let's go together and add a platform. Click website and add the site URL here. Click enter and the changes are saved. Okay. You can see the changes are saved. Okay, after these changes are saved, we can go to the plugin back and check the 4th to-do list and copy the link it provides and go to Facebook links settings, Facebook login settings, and enable the embedded browser OAuth login and paste the link that the plugin provides and save changes. Also, in March you don't have to do anything if you enter already the link here in the valid redirect URLs. And now we can go back to the plugin and simply click authorize. Also, this must be enabled. I forgot to mention, embedded browser OAuth login must be enabled. when everything's good. Click continue. Here you should select public if you want the post to be public, and click OK. If everything worked well, the plugin redirected you back, and here you can see the advanced options for post to Facebook. Here you can select a page where you should that you own, where the post should be going. Also some groups that you are part of or you are administrator of. Also additional group IDs where to post, maximum post count per time interval. The time interval refers to 1 hour, so you can define a maximum number of posts per this amount of minutes. So if you enter here 10 and here 60, then 10 posts will be made at maximum over 1 hour. You can modify the template of the resulting posts. Also we have shortcodes here. The shortcodes are listed here. You can feel free to try them out. You can force the plugin to create photo posts when status instead of status updates. You can disable posting of pages, posts, custom post types, selected categories. If you click here, the categories will be listed. Disable auto posting of selected tags, comma separated list of tags, and also you can input what the post should contain. If you want to post also videos that are contained in the post, you should check this. The plugin can post embedded YouTube or Vimeo videos from the post directly to your Facebook account. So videos will be uploaded to your account. This is a very nice feature. Feel free to check it out. And also a variable content shortcode, which will give you some randomness to the posts. It will have a random occurrence rate. Here you can set a percentage for occurrence rate for this variable. So this can or cannot show in the posts regarding of this occurrence rate you set here. Now we save settings. I said that post should go to this page. Now let's make a test post real quick and demonstrate the feature of the plugin. Also, I should set a featured image. Okay. And let's go to the page where the things should go here, and let's view how it looks right now. And after we publish this, let's see what we will get. It's already published, and if we refresh this page, you will see the post is uploaded to Facebook just now. Okay. Now let's go to some advanced settings of the plugin. Do not check for duplicate posts. This is for the importing part of the plugin. Limit return post count to maximum input value per rule. This is advanced feature, and this will decrease the time required for rule running, but it will increase the chance that we will miss some posts. So I don't recommend that you check this. Show extended item information meta box. This will show on rules that are imported from Facebook on posts So if we import a post, we can check this out. Okay, try to replace WordPress cron with real cron. If you have issues with WordPress cron, you can try enabling this. You can enable logging for rules, automatically clear logs after a predefined time period, timeout for running. If the rule runs more than this amount of seconds, it will automatically be stopped. Send rule running summary in email to this email address. And also you can define posting restrictions to import the posts imported from Facebook. Minimum title word count, maximum title word count, same for content. You can define banned word list, required word list, skip posts that do not have images, Facebook post types to skip, the same as for rule settings, but this is a global option. Skip posts older than this date. You can input a pixel code to your pages. If you have one, you paste it here. Copy images from content locally. You can resize the featured image. Do not link images from post to Facebook. Do not link hashtags from post to Facebook. This will disable the automatic linking of images or hashtags from the important content back to Facebook. Strip links from generated post content. Try to fix HTML tags. If you have some broken HTML in the imported content, this will try to fix it. Strip HTML contents by ID or class. Shorten imported URLs by using Google link shortener. The same for exported URLs to Facebook. If you check this, you can input a API key and use it. Also, safe link converter is supported. Automatically translate content using Google Translate to any language. This is only for the imported content. You can define the source language of the content. Also, some text spinning options. In the best spinner, you can create a new account here and input your credentials here. WordAI, a SpinRewriter, built-in text spinner, which does not require credentials, wiki synonyms, and free thesaurus. These are all supported. Open Graph metadata also can be added by the plugin. You can input here page IDs that you own for link ownership verification. That is a new feature, security feature that was introduced by Facebook lately. You can enable Open Graph meta tags by this checkbox. You can set a default image for posts that don't have an image. And also you can input your app ID for OG tags. Random sentence generator, you can define a list of sentences here with variables in them. You can define values for variables here. And also custom HTML code that can be used with these shortcodes in the generated content, and also affiliate keyword replacer tool. Search for a keyword, replace with another keyword, and add a link to it. Also, there will be this WordPress shortcode to help you list posts that are imported by this plugin, and also this will be able to show also the featured images of the posts. Here are some examples on how to use them. You can see more in the plugins documentation. And here we can see some activity and logging, rules that are currently running, restore plugin default settings, delete all posts generated by this plugin, and the activity log for the plugin. So this is all. I hope you enjoy this plugin. If you have some issues with this, please click here first and check the acknowledge base and then contact support. This is really appreciated. Also, you can include a video from Facebook using this shortcode by specifying the video ID. So this is all. Until next time, I hope you will enjoy this plugin. Bye bye.